Dumpster rental service in Jacksonville, Florida. Looking for a hassle-free way to handle your waste removal needs? Freedom Dumpsters Plus has you covered whether for a home renovation, a significant cleanout, or a construction project. Our reliable dumpster rental service in Jacksonville, Florida, is designed to make cleanup easy and stress-free. There is no need to make multiple trips to the landfill. We'll bring the perfect solution to your doorstep with just one call to Freedom Dumpsters Plus. We are proud to serve both residential and commercial clients. Every project is unique, so we tailor our services to fit your needs. From small home decluttering jobs to large-scale construction projects, we have the equipment and expertise to handle everything. What makes us stand out? It's our commitment to fast delivery, timely pickups, and top-notch customer service. When you choose us, you're choosing convenience, professionalism, and a job well done every time. We're more than just a dumpster rental company, we're your partner in keeping Jacksonville clean and green. At Freedom Dumpsters Plus, we prioritize eco-friendly practices, ensuring your waste is disposed of responsibly. Take the stress out of your cleanup project today. Call Freedom Dumpsters Plus at 904-892-5362 for a reliable dumpster rental service in Jacksonville, Florida. Let us handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on what matters most.